Are you facing difficulties in planning your task 1? We will discuss how to plan an introduction, overview, BP1, BP2. Hello dear students, I am MANPREET here on the behalf of Adeptopedia. Today I am here with the new video that is basically for academic students on task 1. So if you are going to solve any of your 4 graphs I mean to say bar graph, line, table and pie chart. So what we can follow or what we can learn or practice in our day-to-day routine, that we can save our time in the final examination. Let's get started. First of all, I will explain how to plan your introduction part. Then we will move to our overview that some students basically write in the end as their conclusion part. Then we will discuss our BP1, body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2, which are most important part of our task 1. So first of all, while planning your introduction or writing your introduction, what basically things we can do is the given these sentences we can always write similar in all the task 1. Dash graph, it can be any graph such as line, bar, pie or table. Illustrates, many students write reveals. I would say avoid writing reveals because perfect words are illustrates or we can write depicts. One more thing, if there are graphs, I mean to say that more than one graph is there, so we will add s over here grammatically and this s will be removed according to the grammatical rule. Depicts, information about. So this situation will be same for all of your task 1. Then about what? For example, population of a city it can be. From where information is taken? From the US. Then when that particular information is taken, it means your year. Basically, if we are writing between dash and dash, make sure if you are writing from, then we will mention to this year. For example, between 1980 and 2000. Similarly, if you are mentioned from, then we will write 1980 to 2000. Make sure with between there will be an and with from there will be to. After that, we will plan our overview. How to start our overview? We will explain ergo, hence, therefore. So all words have similar meanings. It is analyzed that dash was according to the when. If it is past situation, is if it is present situation, or will be if it is a future situation. Recorded maximum, and with comma we will write whereas or but, however, this was, is or will be minimum. So make sure we will compare maximum with minimum in our overview part. Then the most important part of our task 1 is BP1 and BP2. How to start writing BP1? We can start with prima facie and we can mention at first glance. It is evident that this will be your similar situation for all the tasks. Evident that. Now the basic things will be started here. It is evident that we will choose any highest or which is the highest figure in the task. Highest number was, is or will be this, but we will compare with but the lowest figures. So this will be our very first comparison in year this, and then we will move to next part. We can start with moreover, or with moreover what we can choose, we will choose any two similar figures. So this will be our second comparison, that the population of this and this city is recorded, was recorded, or will be recorded similar in this and this year. So this is our second comparison. Next we will move to our third thing. We will choose after that, and here we will choose any two time periods, for example 2001 and 2002. The population or whatever the figures were saying, this was or is noticed, this and this. It means, for example, 100, 120 respectively. So this will be our third comparison over here. Then we will move to our BP2. How we can start our BP2? We can write probing further, probing ahead, moving further. So here what we will do, we will counter here with the figure that increased or that rose significantly. Significantly is used for fast growth. For example, something was 5 in first year and it moved to 20 in the second year. Significantly, full stop. However, rather than but or whereas, this dropped down, then opposite trend, dropped down dramatically. So these will be two differences or two comparisons. After that, we can go for in contrast, comma, dash and dash. Any two data you can choose, dash and dash. In dash and dash area remained constant. So at the end or finally we can choose any different figures that this was or is or will be noted, this figures or percentages, whatever it is mentioned in your task, noted this. So we started with introduction, overview, then we will move to BP1 and BP2, and these words and these figures will help you out to plan your task 1 easy and efficiently. Thank you. See you soon with the next video.